Uh, Today I was going to deliver one of the best interesting related to this topic. One is the mutation. Mutation means there is the any mutation that the change of the DNA sequence of the cell. So mutation, that's the change of the organism resulting from the changes in gene structure. Okay, so gene structure, change in the gene structure, and which result the change of the organism. So by this change, this is a change, that means the mutation can be caused by the error during the cell division or the exposure to the environmental agent. So this agent is called the mutagens. So there is the cause, that's the cause of the mutation. Firstly, it is number one, that is the error of the DNA replication. So this is the error of the DNA replication. So first cause and second cause is the mutation. That's mean mutagens. The mutagens, that's the effect. That's the main, the mutagens, that the chemical agents, that the other agent related. These are called which it is the very mutagens is the substance which cause the mutation. So this called is the mutagens. So mutagens, that is the internal and external factors. So it is come from internal substances, and it is also external factors that causing the mutation. That is the some mutagens. These are the chemical mutagens also, and the radioactive mutagens also. Chemical mutagens, these are the DDT, dioxins, benzenes, etc. These are the chemical mutagens, and another is the radioactive mutagens, that is UV ray and some X-ray. These are caused by the radioactive mutagens. These are the main mutagens. The mutagens are responsible for the causing of mutation. So mutation, according to the classification of the mutation, there is the main major. There is a three major classes is there. One is the genomatic, that is the main total whole genome. This is the genomatic mutation. And number two, that is the chromosomal mutation. It is also called the chromosomal aberration. Okay. And number three, it is a gene mutation. Okay. So firstly we discuss about the genomatic mutation. This is also aneuploidy and polyploidy. This and that is the ploidy level. According to the ploidy level, we are said that is aneuploidy. Another is the polyploidy. That ploidy level is the more than 2 or 3, 4. That is the ploidy level more than 10. The aneuploidy are of two types. One is the monosomy and trisomy. Mono means 1 and tri means 3. So another is the chromosomal mutation. These are the chromosomal mutations. So chromosomal mutations are of two types. So mainly there, one is the interchromosomal and another is the intrachromosomal. Firstly, that is intrachromosomal. That means in chromosome, in the chromosome. That is in the chromosome, not outside. That intrachromosomal. And interchromosomal, that is the outside of the chromosome. There is any chromosomal aberration which occurs. Okay. So intrachromosomal, there is the three types. Interchromosomal mutation, there is the three types. One is the due to the deficiency, another is the deletion, and number three is inversion. Deficiency, that means there is any, this is the chromosome, there is any the genomic part, these are the gene, there is any type of the deficiency, there is not found, that is any types of the deficiency in the particular location, the particular genomic part. This is called deficiency, this type of the mutation. And the deletion, that's mean this is the chromosome and this is the genetic material, this is the gene. The any type of the deletion, here is the one type of the gene is the delete. So this type of mutation is called the delete mutation, delete interchromosomal mutation. And number is the inversion. Inversion, this means is a chromosome, there is the any inverse, this portion going to eat this portion, this is going to this portion. This portion, that is the genomic part, they are inverse to this part, that is the number 1 and 2, this part, and this part and this part. This is the change in the position, that is the inversion. Okay. So another is called the interchromosomal. That is the interchromosome. Interchromosomal means that is there is not in the chromosome, the outside of the chromosome. This type of the mutation is called interchromosomal mutation. This is occurs due to the duplication process. Duplication means the double in number. And number three is the gene mutation. Gene mutation are of three types. There is a three. One is the frame mutation, another is the substitution, and number three is the inversion. So frame mutation, that means this is the frame. This is the A T G C. This is the A T G C. This is the frame shift mutation. So frame shift, that means there any of the deletion or insertion of the codon, the shift will be changed. This type of mutation is called the frame shift mutation, and these are occurred due to the deletion or inversion of the any type of insertion of the any type of the codon. Okay. And another is the substitution. Substitution is the transition and transversion. These are the substitution of the substitute. One is substitute by the another. These are the transition and transversion. These are two types. And number three is the inversion. So this is the all of the classification of the mutation. So mutation, according to the cell involvement, you can discuss according to the cell involvement. Mutation are the two types. One is called the germinal cell mutation, and another is called the somatic cell mutation. The germinal cell mutation, there is the mutation occur in the germ cell, that is the ova or sperm in the germ cell, and it is hereditary. That means it's hereditary to one generation to another generation. And another is the somatic cell division. This is the another cell involvement is the somatic cell. The other than the germinal cell, all the cells of our body, this is called the somatic cell, and there is the genetic part also at the present. So this type of there is any gene part of the somatic cell is changed by the use of the mutation. This mutation is called the somatic cell mutation. Okay, so according it is the according to the cell involvement. This is the two types. So what is the effect of the mutation? There is the mainly effect, that means the mutation may be lead to the cancer or the other diseases. Lead to the cancer or diseases. Some mutation may have the no noticeable effect on the protein, and they code for. And number three, that is the some mutation may resulting in a protein that the distinct work at all. So this about all the effect of the mutation. So mutation, it is in short idea about the mutation. It is the classification and its definition, it is cause, and it's the effect of the mutation. So thank you all of you, and please subscribe my video, and we will be coming another video about the mutation process, about the mutation related. Another video is coming soon. Okay, thank you.